Hi guys, today we're going to be going over the 4th grade worksheet, lesson number 8. I'll be doing the highlighted problem, so just go ahead and try the rest after I'm done. So we're going to start with number 3, which is 300 times 3. So I'll go over here and we'll write out 300 times 3. Now, when you solve this problem, you're going to multiply to every single number. So I'm going to highlight which numbers we're going to solve first and just follow along. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is also 0. Now we're doing 3 times 3, which is 9. So your answer is 900. Okay, now we'll be doing number 4, which is 24 divided by 3. So when you're solving this problem, you're just asking yourself, 3 times what equals 24? So we know that 3 times 8 equals 24. And to check this, we're going to do 24 divided by 3, which is 8. Okay, so if you don't know how to do division, or if division confuses you, then just go ahead and think the other sign, which is multiplication. So over here, we'll write 8. Oops. Okay, so go ahead and try the rest. We'll move on to page 2. Okay, so now we're doing division with remainders. So we'll be going over number 1 and 2. 15 divided by 2. So all of you guys probably realize that 2 does not go into 15 evenly. So that means we're going to have a remainder. So we'll do it on the side over here. 15 divided by 2 is what? Okay, so we know that 2 times 7 gives us the closest number to 15, because 2 times 7 is 14. So in order to solve for the remainder, we'll move this onto this side and we'll do 15 minus 14, which is 1. So your answer will be 7 remainder 1. So I'll write that here. R stands for remainder, by the way. Okay, so we'll do number 2, and hopefully this one makes a little bit more sense. So I'm going to erase this so that we have a little bit more room. We'll do 20 divided by 3. So again, we'll do is what? A question mark. And we'll do 3 times box equals 20. So again, you want to choose the number that'll get you closest to 20. So maybe we'll try, let's see, 3 times 6. Because 3 times 6 gives you 18. That's pretty close to 20. So we'll move this onto this side and we'll do 20 minus 18, which is 2. So your answer will be 6 remainder 2. Okay, so go ahead and try the rest. We'll move on to page 3. So this is more division practice. Find the product and show your work. So you probably notice here that division can be done with multiple different signs. So we have this sign, and we have a dash, which is also stands for division, and we have the actual division sign, which is what you see the most. So all of these mean division, so you want to keep that in mind. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do number 4 and 5. So number 4 is 55 divided by 3. So we'll write it in our standard form, which is like this. Okay, now you want to cover up all the numbers except for the first one and see if it goes into 5. So we're only going to look at this highlighted number. So how many times does 3 go into 5? It goes into 5 once. So we'll do 3 times 1 equals 3, right? So we'll do 5 minus 3 is 2. Then we bring down the 5. Then we look over here. 3 times what gives you 25, the closest? So 3 times 8 is pretty close because it gives you 24. So over here, we'll write 8. And we'll be doing 25 minus 24, sorry. And that will give you 1. So we'll do 18, remainder 1. Okay, now we'll move on to number 5. Go ahead and erase this. Hopefully number 5 makes a little bit more sense. So we'll be doing 84 divided by 2. Okay, so again, we're only looking at this number. How many times does 2 go into 8? It goes in 4 times because 2 times 4 equals 8. Okay, so next we'll look at this number only. So we'll do 2 goes into 4 how many times? 2 goes into 4 2 times. So your answer is 42. Okay, we'll go ahead and move on to the final page, which is summer camp, or this is division word problems. So you're just going to be doing division again with word problems. So summer camp has 49 campers. If the campers are divided into 5 equal groups, how many campers are in each group? How many are left over? So we'll just be doing 49 divided by 5. Okay, so again, we're doing 5 times what is closest to 49. So 5 times 9 will probably give you the closest. So 5 times 9 is 45. So we'll do 49 minus 45, which is 4. Okay, so you'll do 9 remainder, we said 4. So how many campers are in each group? We'll write 9 per group. Oops. And how many are left over? We wrote remainder 4, so we'll write 4 remainder. Okay, so go ahead and try the rest on your own. I'll put up the answer key now so you guys can check your work. Okay, good job, guys.